What if I told you that long before modern calculators and computers, Indian mathematicians were already working on advanced calculations, astronomy, and infinite series? Welcome to Mathematics in IQS, where ancient brilliance meets modern engineering. In today's class, we are going to explore the world of mathematics in the ancient times, how the Indian mathematicians contributed the world with the best of mathematics knowledge, and what makes Mathematics India more than just a subject. This is going to be the beginning of Unit 3 of your IQS syllabus of third semester. And without any further delay, let's start this amazing journey of mathematics in the IQS. Mathematics in Indian knowledge system. Unique aspects, great mathematicians, and mathematical traditions of India. So, this are the glances that we are going to cover in this entire class. What does mathematics in IQS? In Indian civilization, mathematics was never an isolated discipline. It was woven into the fabric of daily life, spiritual practice, and scientific inquiry. Astronomy and rituals. Mathematics guided Vedic fire altar constructions and celestial calculations for yajna. Architecture and trade. Precise geometry shaped temples, while arithmetic enabled vast commercial networks. Spirituality and science. Indian scholars saw no divide between the sacred and the scientific. Both demanded rigor. Unique aspects of Indian mathematics. India has gifted the world foundational mathematical concepts that transformed global science and computation. Zero and place value. The concept of shunya and the decimal place value system revolutionized arithmetic worldview. Large number naming. Sanskrit texts name numbers up to 10 to the power 53, millennia before Western mathematics caught up. Integration with astronomy. Mathematical models predicted eclipses and planetary motions with remarkable precision. Algorithmic thinking. Step by step computational procedures prefigured modern algorithmic logic by centuries. Characteristics of Indian mathematics. Indian mathematical texts were composed in verse, concise, memorable, and designed for oral transmission across generations. It was based on simplicity, sutra, practical orientation, and computational efficiency. Evolution of Indian maths. Vedic period 1500 to 500 BC. Sulba Sutra in 800 to 200 BC, precise geometric rules for altar construction. Classical period, Aryabhat Brahmagupta Bhaskar formalized algebra, zero, and trigonometry. Medieval developments. Kerala school pioneered infinite series and calculus like methods centuries before Europe did. Branches of mathematics in IKS. A living legacy. From Pingel's binary prosody to the Kerala's school's infinite series, Indian mathematics was remarkably broad and deeply original. The Bhakshashali manuscript contains the earliest record use of the zero symbol as a dot, a discovery that reshaped world's mathematics. Now let's have a look at the great mathematician that India produced. The most important and the very famous Aryabhat, Brahmagupta, Bhaskaracharya, Pingala, Bodhrayan, Madhava, and these are the contributions at a glance. Aryabhat contributions were in the field of trigonometry, the pi approximation, place value, and his work is found in the book called Aryabhatiya. Brahmagupta contribution were in the rules for zero and negative numbers. His key works are found in Brahma Sut Siddhant. Bhaskaracharya's major contribution were algebra, early calculus concepts, and the key works are in Leelavati and Bijaganit. Pingel's major contribution was binary numbers and combinatories. His key works were in Chanda Shastra. Bodhrayan's major contribution were Pythagorean theorem and geometry, and his key work is found in Sulba Sutra. Madhava major contribution were in infinite series and early calculus, and his key work is Kerala School. These discoveries predate many European counterparts by centuries, a testament to India's mathematical legacy. Arithmetic in Indian mathematics. The Indian numeral system, from Brahmi to the world. The Hindu-Arabic numeral system originated in India, where scholars introduced positional place value and revolutionary concept of zero as a number. Brahmi numerals evolved over centuries. Place value system, each position represent power of 10, transmitted to the Islamic world, then the Europe by the 12th century, and now the universal standard for mathematics worldwide. When we talk about geometry in ancient India, we come across Shulba Sutra, the sacred text providing geometry rules for constructing ritual fire altar with exact proportions, the altar construction, measurement precision, and geometric insights. The Pythagorean theorem in India. Bodhrayan stated that a rope stretched along the diagonal produces an area equal to the sum of the areas produced by the vertical and horizontal sides. This is a precise geometric equivalent of a square plus b square, which gives you c square. Indian mathematicians used this relationship for altar constructions, a practical application of pure geometry. Algebra in the Indian mathematics. Quadratic equation. Brahmagupta gave a general solution of ax to square plus bx is equals to c. Unknown variables. Indian texts use yavat tavat as a placeholder. By polynomial concepts, operations with multiple unknowns and higher degree equation appeared in works by Bhaskar too. Trigonometry in Indian mathematics, the birth of the sine function. Indian astronomers created the world's first trigonometric table. Aryabhat computed sine value at 3.75 degree, intervals across a quarter circle. Jaya, also called sine, half chord of an arc, the foundation of trigo. Applied to predict planetary position and eclipses, translated into Arabic as jiba, later Latinized as science. The word sign itself traces directly to Sanskrit origins. Now, let's have the look at Indian contributions to trigonometry, a legacy in every formula. Indian mathematicians did not merely observe the stars, they built the mathematical language to describe them. The Kerala school even discovered infinite series of sine and cosine, anticipating calculus. Every time you use sine and cos in a formula now, you are using a concept born in ancient India. Always remember that. Let's talk about Pingal and the birth of binary maths. Pingal's Chand Shastra classified syllables by duration. By combining Laghu and Guru, Pingal generated all possible poetic meters, a complete binary enumeration of rhythmic patterns. Laghu, which is also called as short syllable or zero for computer, is 1 beat, and Guru, which is long syllable and 1 for computer, it is of 2 beats. Binary system and ancient and modern comparison, if we look at it, why it matters. Pingal didn't just describe poetry, he described information. His system encodes all possible combinations of two symbols, the core idea behind digital computing. Pingal work predates Leibniz's system of binary by nearly 2 millennia. So Pingal was actually writing a poem where he used the binary system of today, but today Western scholars actually use that poem to make computational framework. So this is how the scholars of India were so smart and intelligent that even without emphasizing how great their works was, it's still relevant today. Combinatorial mathematics in poetry. Pingal asks, how many ways can Laghu and Guru be arranged? This is combinatorics. Counting arrangements systematically. Arrangement patterns, permutations, and recursive thinking. These are some of the modern usage of this combinatorial mathematics that Pingal once stated. Meru Prastara, India's triangle. The Meru Prastara is an ancient Indian triangular arrangement of numbers identical to the Pascal's triangle. My friend, if you remember what is a Pascal triangle, please keep your mind that Pascal triangle was not the first time the world actually saw this kind of thought. It was the Meru Prastara, way centuries before Pascal even did Pascal triangle. This is a comparison between Meru Prastara and Pascal triangle. Both triangles encode the same recursive rule and binomial coefficients. The difference is just the attribution and not the discovery. Halayudha gave the first detailed commentary on Meru Prastara, formalizing its mathematical structure. So now you can see how Pascal's triangle was not something the Western world has given us. It is something that India has produced. Indian mathematician has gave Pascal triangle way before Pascal did it. Pascal, now leaving Pascal behind, let's move to Pingle. Pingle legacy in modern computing. Binary coding, algorithmic design, data structures, and computer science. All the CS students who are watching this video, please be sure that whatever you are learning today from Western scholars or some international books, these knowledges are now publicized or published by Western scholars, but these knowledge are not theirs. The authenticity is from India only. These knowledges are our Indian knowledge system. These are part of our Indian knowledge system. Magic squares in India. A magic square is a grid of numbers where each row, column, and diagonal sums to the same value, a mathematical marvel with deep roots in Indian tradition. Definition: n into n grid using distinct integers with equal sums in all direction. Historical use: found in temples, architecture, and manuscripts across India. And mathematical beauty in it is it combines symmetry, number theory, and combinatorial design. Now, Lushu versus Indian magic squares. Two traditions, but one concept. Both China and India interdependently discovered magic squares, but Indian mathematicians pushed the concept further, constructing larger, more complex squares with deeper mathematical properties. The 4 into 4 magic square in the Khajuraho temple is one of the earliest known examples of a pan-diagonal magic square. So, these magic square was found in the temples of India. How come they are Western theories? They are not. Ramanujan's magic square. Srinivas Ramanujan, one of the greatest mathematicians India produced, crafted a remarkable 4 into 4 square. Not just equal sums, but multiples hidden patterns embedded in one grid. Ramanujan's magic square remains a celebrated example of mathematical beauty where structures and creativity meet. Constant sum. Every row, column, and diagonal sums to 139. Corner and center. Corner and center, 2 into 2, also sum to 139. Recreational genius. A testament to intuitive number sense and pattern recognition. This was how great Ramanujan was and how great his works are. Every row and every column will add up, sum up, multiplied up to 139 in whichever way you can see. So this was the beauty India have and India had in the past. Indian mathematics today. Ancient insights power modern breakthroughs across every frontier of science and technology. Computer science, zero binary logic, and positional notation, all rooted in Indian scholarship, underpin every digital system today. AI and algorithms, recursive structures, and infinite series from Indian mathematics inform modern machine learning architectures. Engineering, Shulbasutra geometry and trigonometric tables, pioneered by Indian scholars, remain foundational in structural design. Astronomy, Indian astronomical calculations and planetary models predated and influenced global scientific traditions. Cryptography, number theory and modular arithmetic developed in India form the backbone of modern encryptic systems. What more to say? इतना जानने के बाद I feel proud to be an Indian. I feel proud to be born in the land where knowledge was not just mere in the books. It's present everywhere, in the soil, in the structures. Even if we look at the stars, the mathematicians of India have marked their legacy all around the world. As a conclusion, we could say a civilization that taught the world to count was my country, India. India's mathematical legacy is not a relic, it is a living tradition. From the invention of zero to the foundations of calculus, Indian scholars fused logic, computation, and philosophy into a unified pursuit of cosmic truth. Immeasurable contribution. India gave the world the decimal system, algebraic methods, and trigonometry, tools used by every scientist and engineer alive today. Preserving IKS. Indian knowledge systems must be studied, documented, and celebrated, not as history friends, but as a continuing source of innovation. Mathematics in India was not merely calculations, it was a way of understanding the universe. So that's it for today. We are through with the mathematics and IKS part. And I feel so proud that what we as an Indian were not able to recognize, this subject IKS is now making us to actually thank our ancestors, how great they were. आज हम शायद भूल चुके हैं, हमें सिर्फ ये पता था कि जीरो इंडिया ने दिया या डेसिमल सिस्टम इंडिया का है, बट क्या हमें पता था कि पाइथागोरस भी इंडिया का ही पार्ट है, पाइथागोरम थ्योरम? क्या हमें ये बात पता था कि साइन की वैल्यू सब इंडिया का था? बट आज आईकेएस की वजह से हमें पता चला है कि ये सब इंडिया का पार्ट था. सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू प्रिजर्विंग आवर इंडियन हेरिटेज बाय एक्चुअली studying IKS and not just studying, by promoting IKS as well. So if you really like this content, we are working hard for you guys. If you really like our content, kindly subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment, and we are continuously watching all of your comments. अगर आप कमेंट करके हमें कुछ भी लिखेंगे, हम बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. So thank you for watching and we'll meet in next class.